Good morning, friends. Today we'll see about issues relating to transboundary river water sharing in South Asia. Transboundary river water resources have been considered as a source of contention in many parts of the world. In most of the cases, the flow of the cross-border river has been diverted, dams are constructed at different levels, and river water has been stored for various purposes. Frequently, occurring political and environmental disagreements over sharing and ownership of river water have resulted into many conflicts among the nation states, especially in South Asia. It is also believed that climate change will adversely affect the existing hydrological basins, increased global warming, and the greenhouse effect is likely to alter the hydrological cycle in significant ways. Undoubtedly, all this will have enormous political, social, economic, and environmental consequences, both domestic and external scenario of the riparian countries. Furthermore, the absence of robust institutional mechanism and regional integration may also further provoke friction in the co-riparian states. Though South Asia differs in terms of size, natural resources, political power, and economic strength, it is a classical example of shared histories, cultural ties, and geography. However, historical baggage of tensions and disputes between countries is clearly reflected on water governance of the region. As a result, transboundary river water disputes of South Asia have been linked to the geopolitics of the region. In other words, the dark shadow of the transboundary river water disputes is also visible on the long-standing bilateral treaties and agreements. Many studies reveal that water scarcity is a growing concern for countries in South Asia, where per capita water availability has decreased nearly by 80% in 1950s. On the other hand, the South Asian Regional Cooperation established during 1985 for the promotion of economic, social, and cultural cooperation in the region has also failed to formulate concrete solutions for transboundary river water disputes. At the same time, Pakistan has raised the objection on the construction of Kisanganga Hydroelectricity Project. Mahakali Treaty of 1996 between India and Nepal does not consider the environmental impacts. The Indus Water Treaty of 1960, signed between India and Pakistan, does not address the issue of pollution of the river water and groundwater. There has been constant hostility among China, India, Bangladesh over the Brahmaputra River. Indian federal units, West Bengal and Sikkim, have objection on internal deal of Teesta water. It is highly difficult to get access to data or information from upper riparian states. Political instability and asymmetric power of the region further delay the concrete solution. So, the existing treaties such as Indo-Pakistan Indus Treaty, that is 1960, Indo-Nepal treaties regarding the Kosi 1954, Gandaki 1959, and the Mahakali 1996, and the Indo-Bangladesh Ganges Treaty 1996 are also unable to solve the problems caused by many factors such as climate change and regime change. So, all these bottlenecks have resulted in mistrust and non-cooperation of South Asian countries, which has further complicated transboundary river water security of this region. Shockingly, The Ganges Brahmaputra basin is considered as one of the highest potential for disputes in the next decade, according to the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, nothing but UNESCO. So this needs to be analyzed from different angle, including environmental and economic points of view. Indeed, the interaction among the society, its government agencies and the ecosystems they manage create great challenges when dealing with cross-scale issues such as transboundary water governance. However, the increasing population and urbanization, the growing demand for renewable energy resources, the need of navigation and irrigation projects, and serious challenges of floods and droughts posed by climate change push the riparian countries to rethink and build trust among them. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.